the first prototype of my new sickle bar mower, using the 3-point hitch on the back of my tractor and a hedge trimmer. This is a 20-inch or 22-inch model. It's the cheapest one. It was like 30 bucks at Walmart. Well, it works pretty well. There's extension cord up to an inverter that's hooked into the battery. Now, I plan to expand this, and what I want to do is I'm going to put a couple of alternators on the PTO output of my tractor. That's why this front plate's off, is because I'm mounting the alternators right now. And then I'll have all the power I need to run this hedge trimmer, sickle bar mower, to run anything else I can think of making without having to spend, $500 to $1,000 on hydraulics. All right, let's cut this field. This is obviously a very unkempt field, so it's working real hard to cut it. But the next cutting should be better. Fresh hay! Yeah, perfect.